We're having significant issues with the homeless population.
This is a test of the emergency alert system, originated by the Arizona Department of Public Safety. If this had been an actual emergency, important information or instructions would have followed the tones you just heard. This concludes this test.
Uniform, and so for individuals to take that same uniform and then use it for the purposes of defrauding people out of their money or services
This seems kind of hard to make these changes in my life, but really it's about habit. It's about getting started, right?
Yeah, being sick is hard, right? I mean, getting Alzheimer's disease is hard. You saw me in the last part of the show do this exercise I love that I do with all.
This is a test of the emergency alert system, originated by the Arizona Department of Public Safety. If this had been an actual emergency, important information or instructions would have flowed the tones you just heard. This concludes this test.
To the right, where just 5 minutes a day, you're reading one of the essays in Change Your Brain every day. Or while you're working out, you pop in Memory Maker.
It is here to help you save on personal loans, credit cards, or car insurance. See how much you could save free at Experian.com/save.